a fool. Y'all, if I told y'all about the day I had. Whew. This, my friends, is an impromptu video. What the topic is, I don't know. Actually, I know what the topic is. It's called Adulting Sucks. And I'm tired of being an adult. And I'd like to be a child for a while, because I can't do this. So honestly, I'm just here to tell you guys about my day. Go on a little rant for a little bit and kind of update you guys on what's been going on with me. So as you know, I've been looking for a new place to live. As of the recording of this video, it is August 13th, 7:14 p.m. And I leave to go on my trip, my international trip at the end of this week. And when I come back, I will have only 5 days to figure out where I'm gonna live, or else your girl's gonna be homeless. And it's not that I haven't been looking for an apartment. I've been in the process of trying to qualify for this apartment that's actually in my same building that I am right now, just cheaper, for a whole month. And this process is just killing me. So today, the latest update was that now the property manager doesn't even know if 2 people can legally live in the square footage of the apartment that she's trying to rent me. And I'm just like, fam, you didn't know this a month ago when you told me about this apartment? Whew. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I have to wait until she hears back from the town of whatever, whoever the powers that be that tell her whether 2 people can legally live in the square footage of this apartment. And that's just the latest update. Like, if I tell y'all the whole backstory and all the foolishness that's gone on before this point in this long saga called Akeiva's gonna be homeless in a couple weeks, we'd be here all night. But yeah, so there was that today. And then, you know, typical adult duties. Had my car inspection and emissions expiring this month. Kind of forgot about it. So yeah, basically I'm like, all right, well, I leave to go on my trip at the end of this week. When I get back, God knows what's gonna be going on. I might be moving, I might be doing all kinds of madness. So I need to get my emissions and inspection done this week. So I go to the lovely Toyota Center today to get my emissions and inspection done. And of course, you know, when you go there, they always come back to you with, you know, this can be fixed, that can be fixed. But they come back to me with like a bunch of problems that are not necessarily recommendations, but they're saying I actually need to pass my inspection. So now I'm just like he was talking, he was flapping his gums, the representative, but honestly, I wasn't even listening. Like, this was supposed to be a video about how I finally saved up my 6-month emergency fund. And now this is a video about how I almost had my emergency fund set and ready to go, and it got swiped out from under me in 2 minutes. Honestly, I didn't even read these papers in detail. Let me look to see what these papers is telling me. Because all I was seeing was dollar signs, and I was like, Satan, not today. So let's do some quick math, ladies and gentlemen. So we got $555 for these front brakes that need replacing. $370 for these tires that need replacing. And $17.35 for this power steering that need replacing. Y'all see that? $2,660. $2,660. Fam, where? Luckily, and I guess this is the one big takeaway from my little rant, is that when I bought my car, I got me an extended warranty. And the warranty is at least gonna cover that $17.35. So it's not as bad, but still your girl gotta come up with $555 plus $370, because that's considered wear and tear, so they don't cover that. So that's still $925 that your girl gotta come out of pocket with. And your girl don't wanna come out of pocket with that mess. I was doing so good, y'all. Ruined my whole video. So yeah, that was my day. How was y'all's day? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk a little bit. Let's just all rant and vent. Get all your thoughts out about how adulting is just some deceivery. And I know that's not even a word, but it's my word. Some deceivery, some deception. On the bright side, I did get a check in the mail today for a refund that I've been literally tracking down for 4 months. So I mean, I'm glad it's finally here and all. You know, I get $48 back to my name, but $48 versus 900 whatever. I guess it's a drop in the bucket. This is stressful. Like I said, this is a very impromptu video. I'm just, you know, came in from work, came from this Toyota service center, and I'm just venting about life. So if y'all with me, y'all understand these adulthood responsibilities ain't fun. Let's talk about it. Let me know how you doing in the comments below. For those of you that are new to my channel, this is not how videos typically go. So I'm sorry if y'all not feeling this video today, but this is real life. Like, this is how I feel right now. So if you're about making sense of money and life as a young adult, I really do hope you subscribe. To see some of our regular content about personal finance topics, I will put some links over here. You guys can check those out. And now I'm ending this video now because I'm stressed and I'm going to bed. So bye.